Sports on Air.
Maybe hindi natin alaman kung kung tama ba o mali. But of course, it's always ganun talagang ganun, race of the game. So, basta ang gusto lang namin is yung we have a chance. Diba? Yun yung sinabi ko nung halftime. Give us ourselves a chance for this game. I don't care if we lose or win this game. I want to win on the second half. Yun yung sabi ko sa kanila. So, they respond very well. But at the end of the game, it's all about wins.
Eh, yung na-extend na naman lalo yung winning streak na yun. So, ano ba sasabi nila?
Yeah, I don't want to talk about our streak in the preseason because, that's over. And we have a very, very good preparation, including the preseason, the commitment and everything. So it helped us a lot in the preseason. But now we focus on this conference.
Coach, what does this tell you about your team na humabol? What can you say about it?
The character and the attitude of the player. That's what we talked about in the halftime. Let's have that character of, let's keep coming back on this game because we're down by 29 points to 25 points at the halftime. So, let's have that character na, sa Hineba yun eh. Never say die. So, yun yung binigay na character na natin. Yun yung toughness na hinahanap ko sa kanila. That's first half talagang wala eh. Wala kaming depensa, ayaw naming magtrabaho. So, yun yung binigay ng second half. Yun yung kami. So, we need to outwork and yung effort namin, mabigay namin. Kasi yun yung si Magnolia, outwork and out-hustle our opponent.
Habang mainit ang mga laman sa ating mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser or ang cellphone, mapa-Android man o iOS. Gamitin lang ang inyong mobile number at huwag kalimutan ilagay sa promo code ang 1x on air. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayong magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo gamitin ang GCash account nyo para makapag-deposit or mag-cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.